Morning, K3. K3, good morning. Okay. Morning once again. So today we will continue to study your SM, SN, ST, and SW. Good morning, Rotana. Yeah, good morning. Clear? Okay. So let us continue the lesson, K3. Okay, so as what I've said earlier, we will continue studying your SM, SN, ST, and your SW, okay? But before that, can anybody tell teacher if what day today is?
Monday.
Monday? No. Is it Tuesday? No.
Friday.
Is it?
Friday. Saturday.
Is it Saturday?
Saturday.
Is it Wednesday?
Thursday.
Okay, Ratana is Thursday. Okay, today is Thursday. Okay, K3.
Mama.
Eliza, please stop shouting. Yes, it's Thursday. Please avoid shouting, Eliza. Okay, you have a thin voice and it's painful in the ear. Yeah, color blue. Okay. So yesterday, okay, yesterday we spelled the word snake. Snake. Can anybody spell snake? How do we spell snake? How do we spell snake, K3? No?
Snake.
Okay, how do we spell snake, K3? S. What? Okay, how do we spell snake, K3?
S.
S. What is the next letter after S? S-I-S-E. It is S-M. But it's S-N. N, not M. N. Letter N, not letter M. Okay? This is letter N. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Sarah, can you spell snake, Elisa? Please do not shout. Okay? Sarah, can you spell snake? Can you spell snake, Sarah? How about Ratana? Can you hear me, Sarah? Sarah, spell. Sarah, I am a teacher. Teacher is not a dentist. So do not open your mouth in front of the camera, okay? Okay, do not open your mouth. I mean, yeah, wide open in front of the camera because teacher is not a dentist. Teacher is a teacher, okay? Okay, Sarah dear. Okay, again, Sarah, we spelled snake as oh my God, Eliza. Avoid shouting, Eliza.
Wala na ako ng bantalo
Yes. Okay, so we spell snake K3 as S N K E. Okay, this is how we spell snake. Eliza, based on the word that is written on the board, can you spell snake? Okay, Eliza, can you spell snake? Eliza, how about Morakot?
S-N-A-K-E.
Okay, very good. Rutana, spell snake.
S-N-A-K-E.
Mungkul, spell snake. Mungkul, can you open your camera?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we have S-N, S-N-A, K. Okay, very good. Cigarette, spell snake. Cigarette, spell snake. S-N, uh-huh, A, A, K, E. So that is how we spell snake. Okay, without a copy, K3 bot. Without any copy, spell snake. Can you spell snake, bot? Spell snake, bot. Snake. Uh-huh, S. N. K. K. E. Okay, very good. Next, Rutana, without any copy, spell snake. Very good. Sarah, spell snake. Okay.
N-A-K-E.
Okay, very good. Eliza, without any copy, spell snake. How about Morakot? Can you spell snake without any copy?
F-I-K-E.
Uh-huh, letter K, E. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, again, we spelled snake as S-N-A-K-E. Okay, we have this one. How about this one, K3? Can you tell me what is this?
Happy.
Is it happy? Smile. Very good, Mongol. This is smile. Okay. And again, we spell the smile as S-M-I-L-E. Okay. K3. So that is okay, and that is a spelling of a smile. Okay, S-M. And again, K3, S-M. K3, S-M sounds as sma. Okay, sma.
Smile.
Okay, yes, Mungkul, you are correct. Smile. Okay, this one, K3, again, let's familiarize the sound. The first one here is S-M. S-M sounds as sma. Okay, sma. Morakot, can you sound the S and M? What is it? Sma. Okay, again. K3, Sarah, Bot, Ratana, Eliza, Sitiret, Mungkul, Morakot. Please repeat after teacher. Sma. Okay. Sma. Okay, Ratana, repeat after teacher. Sma. Okay, Mungkul, repeat after teacher. Sma. Very good. Morakot. Sma. Okay. Morakot, are you eating chocolate this early? Bot. Sma. Bot. Where is bot? Ma. Okay. And how about Sarah? Sma. This one. Okay, very good. This is Sma, and that is SM. And we will move on to Sna. Sna. Okay. SN. Okay, when we say SN, it is sounds as sna, sna, snake. Okay, sna. A3, Eliza. Eliza, what went wrong, Eliza? Mungkul, repeat after teacher. Sna. Very good. Ratana, sna. Ratana, sna. Very good. Next, Sarah, can you repeat after teacher? Sna. Sna, sna, sna. Sitirat, repeat after teacher. Sna. Okay, we have sna, sna, snake. Okay. Okay, K3, Ratana, Morakot, Mungkul, Sitirat, Bots, Sarah, and Eliza. Tell me, what letters am I sounding? Okay, the first one is sma. Sma. What letters? Yeah, smile. What letters does sma has?
C.
Is it letter C? Sma. 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 It's letter what? Sma, letter S.
M.
Okay. And how about sna? Sna. What letter? Okay, S. N. Very good, Rutana. SM is sma and SN is sna. Okay, when we sound the letter N again, our mouth is open, and if we sound the letter M, our mouth will end up closed. Ma. Okay. A3. Okay, let's now move on to your ST. Okay, S or the letter S and the letter T. S. STK3, letter S and letter T. Okay, this is the letter S. K3, look at this one. Letter S and letter T. Very good, Mungkul. And the sound of letter S again is, and the sound of letter T is. Okay, the letter T sounds as S. Okay. Okay, this is S. T. Okay, K3, you need to listen first in here. Okay, listen to the ST sound.
Unit 5. Track 33. Listen and repeat. Sm, sm. Smile. N, sn. Snake.
Bye-bye.
Stone.
Okay, again, the sound of letter S is and letter T is T. Tone. Okay, again, listen K3.
Stone. St,
No.
snake. Stone. W, sw. Swim.
Okay, so again, K3, as what I've said earlier, your S and your letter T. K3, repeat after me. The sound of letter S is working this way.
Unit 5. Track 33. Listen and repeat.
Okay, K3 again. The letter S is, it's not sa, K3. Letter S is not sa. It's cool. Can you sound the letter S? Okay, very good, Mungkul. How about Morakot? Can you sound the letter S, Morakot? Again? No. Sound the letter S. Do not spell it. Just sound it. Like. Okay, very good. Next, Eliza. Sound the letter S. Eliza. Eliza, every day, Eliza. No response from you. How about Rutana? Rutana, can you sound the letter S? I can't see you, only the television. Okay, very good. Next, Sarah. Sarah, can you sound the letter S? Okay, Sarah, the letter S. How do we sound the letter S? S. Okay, letter S. Sarah, can you hear me, Sarah? Huh? How do you sound it? How about bot? Bot, how would you sound letter S? Bot? Bot, can you hear me, bot? Okay, bot, please sound the letter S. Bot? Can you sound the letter S? No, do not spell it, sound it. Bot? Can you hear me, bot? Okay, everybody, K3, the sound of letter S is, okay, it's not sa, but rather it is Mungkul, Ratana, Morakot got it correct. But Cinderella, can you sound letter S? Cinderella, can you sound the letter S? Cinderella, Eliza. Eliza still in mute. Okay, again, K3, we sound letter S as. And now let us move on to your letter T. Okay, what is the sound of your letter T, K3? Okay, this is your letter T.
G. G.
What is go? Go. Letter T. We are not on letter G, but letter T, like this one, day 3. Letter T. Okay? Not G. Okay. So letter T, Lisa, Centigrade, Cool, Morakat, Bot, Sarah, Rutana, please pay attention. Letter T sounds as again. Okay. You need to close your mouth. Okay? And then you need to release an air. Okay, it's not ta ta ta, but it is. Okay, 3. It's hard, right? The S and T. Okay. Can you repeat after teacher Rutana? Oh, very good, Rutana. How about Mungkul? Can you sound the letter T, Mungkul? Okay, very good. Next, Morakot. Can you sound the letter T, Morakot? Where is Morakot? Only Mungkul and Rutana got it correct. How about Morakot? How do we sound the letter T? Oh, it's not ta, but it is. Okay. We don't add letter A. Okay. How about Sarah? Sarah, how do we sound letter T? Sarah, can you repeat after teacher Sarah? Rutana, that's a pizza, not a happy birthday hat. Sarah, can you repeat after teacher? Sarah? Okay, the letter T. What is the sound of letter T, Sarah? It's we are not referring to the letter, we are referring to the sound class. So the letter T sounds as Eliza. Can you repeat after teacher Eliza? Eliza, bot. Bot. Bot, can you sound letter T? Teacher Sarai, can you please tell Eliza to unmute?
Okay, teacher. Okay, sir. We call Lisa. It's near me.
Eliza is with you. Okay, K3 again. So S and T sounds as what? You know what? You are not even repeating. You are the one who said goodbye. Okay. S. Letter T. Okay, K3. Again, letter S sounds as and letter T sounds as. Okay. So therefore, the sound of S and T is. K3, repeat after teacher. Okay. Morakot. Not that sound of letter S and letter T.
Nice.
Rutana, can you repeat after teacher?
Basket. Molly is lovely.
Okay, very good. Mungkul, can you repeat after teacher? Again, your letter S and your letter T. Very good, Mungkul. Next, Morakot. Morakat, can you sound these letters? Morakat, letter S and letter T is
ST nó ngay kì.
ST sounds as okay. How about Eliza? Repeat after teacher Eliza. Again, how about Sarah? Sarah, can you repeat after teacher?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, K3, now repeat after teacher's tone.
Này ăn không mệt.
Okay. Yes, Mungkul, very good. Tone. No, it's not tone. There is letter S. Tone. Okay, so we spell tone as Eliza. Again, Eliza, do not shout. Okay, no screaming, no shouting, please.
No running.
Yes, Mongkol, we won't run because we are studying online. No shouting, no screaming, okay? Again, stone, but repeat after teacher. Stone. City rat, repeat after teacher. Stone. Okay. Stone. Okay, how about Mungkul? Stone. Very good. Next, Ratana. Stone. Okay, and how about Sarah?
Con ba ra hay bài với A đang ở lâu với A luôn kia đây.
Okay, Sarah. Stone. Okay, and the next one will be Morakat. Morakat, can you repeat after teacher? Stone. Okay, very good, K3. For now, let us write the word stone on your notebook. Okay, write stone on your notebooks, K3. Get your notebook and your pencil and write stone. Okay, write stone on your notebooks, K3.
Cho đó. Mày tí.
Very good.
Nè, semuanya.